Wow, guys, seriously, red? I'm up for the challenge. Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. How is everyone doing? If you're new to my channel, my name is Aisha and my channel is all about makeup. So last weekend I added a poll on my channel asking you guys if you want to see red or silver, and almost everyone chose red. So I have challenged myself today that I am going to create a wearable red eye makeup. And I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to pair the red eyes with, the lipstick, the blush on, everything. So now let's start the video. Let me just get done with my eyebrows and put on the eyeshadow base and I'll be right back. So I'm back. I'm done with my eyebrows and the eyeshadow base, and now here's the thing. Like mostly people, I don't own a red eyeshadow. So I thought, why not use a red lipstick instead? The red lipstick will work as an eyeshadow for sure. But now I don't want to work with black eyeshadow. I want to work with some other colors. So I know black and red will look amazing together, but I've already done two videos with black. I don't want to work with black today. Look, if you can see this color story, this looks red. No, let me just. It is not red. But from this eyeshadow palette, I'll be using. I don't want to play with golds. Now, this is something I'm just playing on my instinct. But what about taking cocoa or henna? Let's do this for the crease area, the lightest shade. This to give the crease a bit of a depth. This color is something I'm stepping out of my comfort zone, but what if I take this color? This is pretty, right? Last but not the least, these are all the shades I'm playing with today. This is what you guys chose, and these are the shades I want to actually explore. Now let's start with the eye look. Before I start with the eye look, these are some of the inspiration photos that I found online for red eye makeup. Aren't they beautiful? I want to create this eye makeup look as beginner friendly as possible, so I'm going to keep it as simple as I can. So first step first, I'm starting with the red lipstick. I've never used red lipstick as an eyeshadow before, so okay. I'm going to work in sections. I'm going to take small sections rather than just one swipe. I think this much will be enough. Now I'm taking a flat brush, something like this, and I am going to just blend it. I know it doesn't look very neat right now, but it will get neat for sure. Now, this is a mistake I made. So I went a bit higher on this side than this side, and this is something I think will fix it. I'm taking a bit more product on the brush and adding it here. Now I want to soften the edges on the top. The lightest color that I showed you from the Huda Beauty palette, Demure, I'm taking this on a big blending brush and I'm just going to blend everything. I'm not going all the way till the very end. I'm stopping where I stopped with the red shadow and I'm just blending everything here. Okay, I'm done with both the sides. Now I'm just going to clean the brush. By the way, I use the same brush for my eye looks and I keep a brush cleaner with me so I can remove the shadow, whatever is on the brush, so I can reuse the same brush. So, see, no color is coming off. Easy peasy. So now the next shade. The one I showed you, the dark one. Okay. This one. Taking a bit on the pencil side and I'm just adding it to define the outer side. I'm not doing anything crazy, just simple packing it on the side. And using the fluffy side, I'm just going to blend it towards the crease area. I wasn't sure if I'll be able to do it or not, but wow, this looks nice. I think it has potential, but I still have to do the inner corner. So let me show you what I think will look great. But if it isn't looking great, I will remove and do something else. So I'm taking this shade that I showed you, the metallic shade that I showed you, and adding it right here. This looks good. I think I made a mistake. Do you see my mistake? I'm taking this lightest shade here and I'm just adding it to this side as well because I feel this can use a bit of shadow. And same on the other side. Now this is something I want to do. I don't have a red glitter, but I have this glitter right here and I want to add it to the center. So I don't want to add black eyeshadow to this look. It looks nice. I just want to tightline my upper lash line. So I'm done with the eye look. Looks nice. Now let me just finish my foundation and concealer and I'll be right back. So I'm done with my foundation and concealer and I know I look a bit white, but I'll fix it. I don't want to overdo the red, so I am not taking the red. I'm taking the darkest shade that I placed on the outer corner, using the same color for the lower lash line as well. I'm just stamping it to my lower waterline. Now this is something I like doing. Instead of adding an eyeshadow to the lower waterline, especially the inner corner, I like to add highlighter. So I'm taking this highlighter. This is from Revolution Real Love palette, the blush palette. And I'm taking this highlighter and placing it right here. I'm using the same highlighter for highlighting the brow bone and the inner corner. I'm adding black eyeliner to my lower waterline. I know, I said no black, but that was just limited to eyeshadows. This is one of the creamiest black eye pencils that I have. Now, my favorite mascara. The blush that I'm pairing this look up with is the same blush that I showed you before. This is such a muted, perfect pink color. So I'm using this. And the same highlighter. What I like to do with the highlighter is I like to blend it with the blush on. So it looks like it's one instead of two separate products. Since I have such bold eyes, I want to keep my lips to a bare minimum. I'm pairing this look up with is this. If you want to know the details of the colors, they are in the description box below. The lip liner first. This lipstick for the outer side. This lipstick for the inner side. So this is my final look. I think this red eye makeup look actually is very pretty and it can be worn like for any functions or events or festives. It is beautiful. I had never tried red eyeshadow look before, but I am absolutely in love with it and I will definitely recreate it. What do you think? Do you think I did justice to the look? Did I do justice to the red eyeshadow look? Since I did not have a red eyeshadow, the red lipstick, I think I did a pretty decent job. What do you think? Do write in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, do give it a thumbs up, do share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such content. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.